Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification button. Happy watching! The ingredients are 3 chicken legs, olive oil, sea salt, pepper, and rosemary. Marinate the chicken leg with sea salt and pepper. I'm going to use the sous vide plastic like this, and I will place the chicken inside. Then I will put some olive oil and rosemary inside there. After that, I vacuum seal the chicken leg and I will put inside the fridge for at least 4 hours. If you don't have the plastic like this, you can use the freezer ziplock like this. Now I'm going to vacuum seal it. As I said earlier, if you don't have the vacuum seal like this, the plastic, then you can use the ziplock with the freezer quality, because the plastic itself is thicker than the normal ziplock bag. You just put the chicken inside and then you just squeeze the air out and then you seal it. I'm going to put this on my fridge for 4 hours. I'm going to use the blade cover to put inside the bowl so can put the bigger quantity when doing the sous vide. Or if you don't have the blade cover, you can use the simmering basket and then put the chicken inside. Put the water about 1.5 liter. And add some more water to cover the bag, but must see the maximum level of water inside. Not more than 2 liters. I'm going to start. Go to the sous vide function for 1.5 hours. Cook at 72 degrees. And we start. Finished already?